Hi, my name is Deb Dvorak. I am one of the Title I teachers at Van Buren. I also lead our PBIS Tier 1 team. I am going to share the work we have done around Indicator 3.5, which is the school analyzes, interprets, and uses data to regularly monitor progress towards school achievement goals. According to the survey data completed by our staff, 3.5 is a strength for us, as scores range from 4.0 to 4.4. As a result, we have multiple lagging indicators for this task. Our first example is our Grew by 3 trees. Each week, students are monitored in reading and are challenged to grow by 3 from the previous week's words per minute score. The second example is a reading data sort done by our Propel team. It shows student growth throughout the year on all reading diagnostic assessments. This helps to inform our instruction. Example 3 is our math goal setting form created by PLC teams to boost student ownership on math number sense. The final example is 5th grade end of year math goals. This information allowed each team to make a data goal in order to shift our instruction to match the needs of each individual student. We are very proud of the work that our teachers and staff have done this year with analyzing, interpreting, and using data regularly to monitor progress toward school achievement goals. We will continue to use our data systematically to respond to students' academic strengths and needs, and ask questions and obtain insight about student progress to monitor continuous improvement and tailor instruction to the needs of each and every student. Thank you for your time.